How to switch between demo and real account in Exness. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged in. From the dashboard, you will see a list of your trading account displayed. Tap the arrow button next to your trading account. This will display a pop-up showing three sections: Real, Demo, and Archived. To switch to a demo account, simply tap on the demo section. For example, if you are currently using a demo account and want to move to your real account, just tap on the real section and vice versa. Once selected, your trading platform will automatically switch to the chosen account and you can start trading either with partial funds on demo or with real money on your real account. Remember, demo accounts are perfect for practicing strategies without any financial risks, while real accounts allow you to trade in the live market. Now you know how to switch between demo and real accounts in Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.